Alright, so I just purchased this universal garage door remote control because we lost one. So I just need one more. It says it's compatible with all these brands, and I have it's a Craftsman, so Sears Craftsman. So it comes with the remote control. It comes with a mounting bracket to put on your car with some double-sided tape. Some quick instructions. Setup manual, and this little pin thing. So I'm going to see how easy this is to set up. So I just popped this open with a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. It says on the guide to use a coin, but this is how it looks on the inside. So there's A, B, and then there's all these numbers here. According to this chart, Sears, Canada, I'm either a C or A switch position and a 315 or 390 frequency. So I'll try A and 390, see if that works. Alright, so the instructions were a little confusing here, but there was two things I had to set. So mine's, like I said, a Craftsman, so a Sears. It has the red learn button up there. So with this remote open, I had to set the brand jumper here. I had to set A to positive and B to negative, which is this position. Get some light here. So A is the top one. And that tells me here on this chart here. So Sears with the red learn button, A positive, B minus, and this chart shows you what minus is and what positive is. So positive is on the left side, is moving the jumper to the left side. So for my case, A is positive, B is negative. I did that, and then straight from that, I went up, pressed the red learn button for 2 to 3 seconds, and then I pressed the button on here, and my light flashed on and off, and then I pressed the button on the controller again, and it opened the garage. So that was pretty simple. Instructions are not the greatest. So now it works. A little bit of a lag there, but this was $31 at Lowe's, and you can buy just a single. Like, we just lost one, so we bought a single one, and I have one in the Suburban that one still works. Oh, here it is, right there. There's the other one that we freaking car. This one still works here. So now we got two that work again. So if you just like me, lost one, wanted an extra one or to replace one, $31. I think you might be able to get them on Amazon cheaper, but it was pretty easy to set up with the with this Craftsman. Like any of the major brands, Chamberlain, anything that's not too old should be okay with the self-learning button. Oh, I forgot the other spot where there's a setting here is this on the top. You have to set it to either A, B, C, or D. And in my case, I did A for the Craftsman. You just slide this piece over with I just used a nail.